Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market.
Today, we're diving into a must-have for clean air enthusiasts: the Honeywell HEPA Air Purifier Filter Kit. If you're looking to breathe easier and reduce airborne allergens, this might just be the perfect solution for you. Now, why do we consider this the best Honeywell HEPA filter available? Let's break it down.
This kit includes not just one, but 3 HEPA-R replacement filters and 4 A carbon pre-cut pre-filters. This combination is designed to target a wide range of airborne particles, from wildfire smoke and pollen to pet dander and dust. The HEPA-R filters boast an impressive capture rate of up to 99.97% of microscopic particles, ensuring cleaner, fresher air in your home.
They're certified to perform for a full year, making maintenance hassle-free.
The A carbon pre-filters complement the HEPA filters by capturing larger particles and reducing unpleasant odors and volatile organic compounds.
It's recommended to replace these every 3 months for optimal performance.
This filter kit is specifically designed to fit various Honeywell HEPA air purifier models, including the HPA 300, HPA 304, HPA 8350, HPA 3300, HPA 5300, and HPA 5350.
Remember, for the best performance, always use genuine Honeywell filters.
Crafted from durable materials like carbon fiber, these filters are built to last while effectively improving indoor air quality.
The dimensions ensure compatibility with your existing Honeywell purifier without any hassle.
Priced at $79.91, this kit offers exceptional value, providing a full year's supply of filters to keep your air purifier running smoothly. So, whether you're combating seasonal allergies, dealing with pet odors, or simply striving for cleaner air, the Honeywell HEPA Air Purifier Filter Kit is a top choice. Don't forget to check the link in the description below for more details and to make your purchase. That wraps up our review for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews from Product Critique.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.